together. Time first time I try it. That's the time we told you to try it together. Scary. It's stubborn. It's stubborn. And try it first. Everyone, the onion. Onion. Guys, can you answer a question, please? Chat. Okay, answer a question. Guys, we can answer a question, please. Okay. So, out of tomato and ketchup, right? Which one more better? So tomato, the natural tomato, and the ketchup. Which one is more better? What is the ketchup?
Ketchup better.
Oh, ketchup better and a tomato make it. And ketchup go to
Ketchup.
tomato.
What's if I call it ketchup?
Babe, it can't be ketchup. See the tomato.
Where is the ketchup?
No, honey, what but remember say ketchup somewhere they make tomato natural.
Ketchup, baby.
Babe, what do people say tomato?
The ketchup get that flavor there too.
God say tomato too.
So for you not focus on people who like ketchup.
Yeah, I see the people that say ketchup too.
Them people who focus on one of them is ketchup.
Me I look on the one with a tomato. Alright guys. Alright. You're not gonna be a debate, but him don't like eat tomato, right? But him like eat ketchup. So may I say the tomato him stop sub with please. Right? May I say tomato good enough for him because that natural don't.
Sure.
Yeah, that natural.
Maybe the ketchup, the tomato, the calls, tomato, ketchup, better.
Oh, better.
It have the naturally thing in it, that are the tomato. It have protein, it have cholesterol, calcium, all of them fruit thing.
I'm not gonna buy you know that.
It.
Because natural season good because you don't go through no chemical or nothing at all. So then there's something that good for you. Alright.
So when you eat this? This one onion and it good for onion good for you. Guys, she not eat this, she not eat onion. Onion good for you.
Guys, me don't eat onion. Me no eat onion. Me no like onion. Just this something you can see it. Me try so. Alright, hold on. Me I can't tell you about onion. Me and you about onion though. Yes, better now?
Right.
Alright, so watch this now. Me cook with onion, but me not go eat onion.
Why?
Because onion spice up your pot to give your pot a nice taste. Guys, don't if you don't cook with onion, the food not gonna have that taste the way it's supposed to have.
Anybody?
But me don't eat onion.
Anybody where cook with something and don't eat it, go poison.
Babe, stop talk foolish.
What feel so?
Stop talk foolish.
Right, Mika? Anybody where I'm sorry.
Mm.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm glad you're not member back in. Guys, don't enough people not eat onion, but then cook with onion though.
Yeah.
Me not eat raw onion, you.
Anybody who don't
Onion.
eat something, cook it. That's all. Who price is okay?
Yeah.
You make us say yeah.
No, Mika.
Go on, Mika.
Mika, come here.
If you don't eat it, or you go cook it, give me enough food to eat.
No, but Bills, you think you can cook up something without no onion and it tastes good?
First,
No.
people cook it out of oil.
No. Mika, so what you say? You disagree with what Kevin said?
You really call her back for every again?
No, I shouldn't share that.
Mika go on the way, don't listen to mommy.
Relationship.
Mika, may I give you this?
It gives flavor.
Thank you.
It gives good flavor, don't? Alright, see there. It's alright, no, I'm chef, you know, we can't tell you what's going on. We can't dance a song.
We can't dance in at all. Yes, I'm try one at a time and nail it.
We see when somebody tell you come so. Okay, so I'm grab back and somebody eating. You dancing now?
No, I hear message, I don't know.
You read it, say?
Okay, them are gonna move fast.
Onion give you.
Onion bread.
No, listen to nobody say that foolishness. I'm telling you, if you want to cook your meal and it tastes good, you have to use onion, especially in your season. So you don't cook bully beef without no onion, babes?
Bully beef is my favorite, I can't.
So you don't cook bully beef without no onion?
Bully beef is real well spicy, man. So it back.
So you have a... So what is it? See? Oh, yes, it's tired. Oh, yes, it's tired, don't you?
Eat na sabi na.
That mess up. Babe, look.
Maybe I said so.
I can't cook without my onion. Big up to you upon that. You want a real chef. So one real chef that in the house talking to us right now. Who the hell go cook without no onion?
So all I suppose there's some with no onion in there. You not cook.
Fine piece of scale, you know. I'm still not
so no cook same cook you cook without the onion.
But because me not go cook without onion, I go always have my onion for spice my pot.
But if there's some and no onion not there, where you gonna use?
If I can improvise to get something like a piece of scallion, but it still not will give me the flavor what I want.
Your face for improvise against scallion.
You da cook. Alright, answer this. You da cook bully beef without no onion?
Me I cook a bully beef without oil.
Ew, you're nasty.
Say bully beef for cook, me I gonna make oil stop me from cook bully beef. What could have? This is coming on show.
Babes, I'm fooling this
I
shit.
love bully beef. Me open all the tin and shake it out on a plate.
No, me not have a
I'm gone
problem.
with it.
So you say, alright, you invite one guest at your house right now, right? And you cook bully beef with them, right? You now get up all that stuff to make sure so you get the right flavor and taste.
First thing first, guess now buy grocery give me, you know. When I go, if I forgot down at the supermarket, no, I'm for a shot and none of money, I not see guests beside of me. So you say if guests come at my yard, you not bring in belly if you don't want none of my food. Alright, for instance, if you forgot Jerry yard right now and Jerry a cook, it's either you want it or you don't want it. And you can't stop Jerry or Jerry.
We're not talking about Jerry, we're talking about you.
No, but me I said, so me I gonna no onion and stop my food from cook. Not say I'm
They
mad.
still like a cookie bully beef without the onion give the person. And a shake out if you don't know cooking
now.
now.
Beef without oil. Come here, get some
And get guess to eat. You're giant.
See, right now, if we get on hotel work and I work in the kitchen, Jesus, guys. I'm a granny, my girl, you know. Granny, you know, sometimes we are left from coals to, we are left from wood fire to coal stove to stove. I can't reach the stove yet, but I get there to the stove part. But yeah, I'm a granny, my girl, man.
You can't cook power fire?
Me? I can't catch all wood fire. And them thing there.
You can't cook pan?
Yeah, I mean. I only pot black enough to wash off them thing there.
Kevin, look for me, you can roast breadfruit?
So breadfruit I want for roast. I'm going to rocket science to roast breadfruit.
You just try it, me somebody can cook.
Let's try it, somebody can cook.
You just try it, me somebody can cook.
Let's try it.
Alright, give me a meal, give me something to cook.
You some cook? Mackerel and rice.
Alright, go up.
Bully beef and rice.
Pasta.
Bully beef and macaroni and cheese.
Oh Jesus, be a pasta. Go.
Bully beef and dumpling and banana.
Be a blow bully beef alone.
Oh. My mom tell me I love bully beef.
Yeah, man, blow bully beef for a
Aye.
while.
Turkey neck and rice.
Tell me how you cook your turkey neck. Take me from beginning to the end.
Alright. First thing first, you wake up,
Oh Jesus.
get yourself together clean. If you don't have it near the fridge, you go to the shop, you buy it. After you buy it, you come back home, make sure you surround it good. Nobody not invade the space. You lock up the place and you put on your pot, and you wash up your meat.
Hey, hold on there, babe. Alright, tell me how you season your turkey neck. Tell me how you season your turkey neck. How you season your turkey neck. Tell me how you do the meat.
For who don't know if a clean turkey neck, I'm telling you. The turkey neck. And yeah, let's talk about turkey neck.
Okay.
Turkey neck.
I'm gonna cook turkey neck, guys. Listen how I cook. No, babes. Tell me
I'm not looking, them now tell it, baby.
Them a go-
kiss them teeth. Ivan. Right, see Ivan there.
Ivani, may I follow you on the page here? Oh, we follow each other. Ivani, over the page, may I come there?
What?
Me get banana for the next one.
Actually.
Ivani pages? Hold on, I'm not sure Ivani this one.
Yeah, she.
Oh, Ivani. Alright. Tell we now.
That me actually say your skin off the skin off of the turkey neck. And if it's too long, you chop it. Not too the chopper will make it cook. No, allow that. Just chop it that too.
Alright, chop in that too.
Yeah, and she get banana because she did dry banana live same time.
Yeah, so may I use that page here?
Yes, after chopping that too now, wash it up, vinegar, lime, and wash up your meat. Ready for the season now. You tip your salt. Seasoning, let me say seasoning, you know seasoning.
Yeah, season.
Yes,
Overall.
scallion and thyme if you have no time. Onion, sweet potato, not sweet potato, sweet pepper, sorry Chad, sweet pepper. Seasoning. Seasoning. My style is for season up my thing from overnight.
So hold on there, when you season the turkey neck, you put on your Irish, your onion, your
Yes.
everything you do at one time?
Yes, Irish. More I like it with you know, look at the thread carrot. Yeah, sometimes I like it with look at thread carrot. Some of just thread 2 pieces of carrot, blah 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 blah.
Funny.
And drop it on it.
Okay.
Simmer down and I'm more put in the fridge for migrate. I migrate. But Chad.
And you're not getting gloves. Yeah, we are gonna do that. But remember the game later. I'm not think that one day we are play with the gloves. But yeah, we are gonna do that. But just eat lunch.
Am I good, baby?
Alright, baby. So it's gonna
No, marinate.
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 I'm gonna put it in the fridge for marinate.
Okay.
Cover it up. You have to cover it though.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when you have to cover it. Keep it covered. Put it in the fridge for marinate. Alright. Whoops now. If you have a pressure cooker, would that cook more better?
It'll cook more better.
Yes.
Okay.
If you have a pressure cooker. So if you don't have a pressure cooker, I'm not gonna tell you because most people on the life can't afford a pressure cooker. Some people. So I'm gonna tell you how to cook it with a pressure cooker and without a pressure cooker.
Okay, go ahead.
We'll go without the pressure cooker first. If you're not in a pressure cooker, guys, when you're not done marinate take the meat out of the fridge, you go separate the meat from the seasoning. So you go put on your little frying pan on the fire, and you go take out them one and put in the frying pan, so, and then cover your pot, make it marinate. You see when it done marinate in the pot, you go throw on the seasoning, and that's what, baby. Pressure. That are without the pressure.
Without the pressure cooker, right?
Without the pressure.
Well, you done marinate already, so you know how to cook it up.
Say I'll throw on there something and make it cook. Cook, yeah. When it cook now, you serve and your family eat and
You don't throw any seasoning?
no run in a belly. So the season, I'm not throw on a long time, baby.
So when you not put in that pot, you throw everything in that pot or you take them out and put the season one side, make it cook.
Season one side, I make the meat cook and in the pot and everything, then I throw on my seasoning, watch my gauge in the water in my pot. And if the water, if the gravy too runny, I mix up my flour water and get back to it.
Okay. Gravy now will be running because you have Irish.
Yes.
The Irish give you body.
Yes, I know.
So now you can cook like a turkey.
Yeah, I can cook little turkey.
What else you can cook?
I can cook a lot of stuff. Just name it and I cook it for you. I'm like that.
You can cook rice?
Rice. You can cook rice. I don't cook rice, baby. I steam rice.
Or you can steam rice, right?
Yes.
So how you get your rice as well? Like, so for instance, I cook 1 pound of rice. Right? I want the rice to swell. How me get the rice to
chicken. How you get the rice to swell? If you put in the pot and put from water in the pot it as well. If no water in the pot it not as well.
Okay.
From water in the pot it as well true. And I think from water in the pot and eat and the fire and the pot it as well.
Alright, give me one more something you can cook.
I can cook whole heap of things.
Give me one more something.
You can mash potato and canned beef.
Jesus, I go back with the canned beef again. Oxtail. It's not to say oxtail.
Oxtail is easy one tree.
You can cook oxtail?
Click a finger. But the oxtail, like how you would talk or how I cook the
turkey neck.
Turkey neck, I'm not going to do with the oxtail. Oxtail are more like for teaching. I have to pay for teach. I have to teach somebody. So I'm not going to talk it out loud. That's what for them know how to cook it.
How to cook the oxtail?
Yeah, I'm going to have to teach them pay. Teach them.
How to teach them how to do with it. Alright, that not bad. That certain
And
can
you
cook
fix
them.
it. She's not sharing.
Huh? Who that show stream?
You know what
Guys, I lie, I tell you here. I see
Next
this.
time I see one on screen record, I say, take it off, man, like that.
And true, me never take off my ring off of my finger. Me never take off my ring off of my finger, babe.
Rosalie and Akeem not keep. Rosalie know Akeem no want her.
This man, I come
Think
so,
she don't know?
I say, I come and care about them my answer. Me never take off my ring off of my finger. Me tell you what, the people then say, me keep on and put on the other piece and because I like it. So, somebody called me this morning and said to me, say, if you take off the next piece, I'm just put up here and alright, so who that?
Must look like a lick pussy Jaden.
Morning, good morning.
Ginger.
Morning. Honey,
Oi.
good morning. How are that? What that you not eat there, so?
Oh, I eat chicken wraps and fries.
Yeah, man, you might start to beating, you know, man. So you have to get him done quick and fast.
Say, and Jaden agree.
Yeah, man, we're not at him again, man. We're not at him again, alright.
You know want more food?
Yeah.
Yeah, want my man?
Yeah.
Just give her money.
You give up for you? Babe, you know the food?
Just give her money.
Oh, I buy some for you enjoy anyway too.
I did.
But you get where,
Me give it our fight. Why everybody has a dirty police now? True, me not at Jaden.
TikTok police just cool them and stop take me down there, brother. I'm to you, me come for bless up Anya, I want to your dog. Suppose me did fi send Anya a lion manager, that stop it, woman blessing, you know. Annie, good morning.
Hey, good morning again, Andrew.
Yo, me did feel like man bad attack, you know, cause she bad looking boy there, no, man.
Nobody with that. Hey! No, we know reason why get guys. We tell us today. You said they come up on Jaden and Kevin don't say nothing. Because Kevin know when I go up to here. Kevin know him. I swear to God. Says he can get feel licky in a run
But
guard.
me never take him down, so I don't know how him feel like I me take him down. Yeah, your dog a move, so. Somebody say make him stop black it. Yep, so like make him stop black people and make him stop black blessing.
Who do that?
Wow.
Who black who? When I ask somebody? I can read that people. Nobody. Over to good nice.
Hello, honey. Good day.
Hi, good day.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, AJ, but kiss please.
Okay.
Jake.
I was just asking you if you could give me some help for my son. He's diagnosed with cancer. I was trying to reach out to you other day, but I cannot get through. So now is the best time I get through with you. I'm asking if you could help me with my son. I'm supposed to do an ultrasound and X-ray.
Hold on. The
Jaden was trying to help me and so on, but the people them was in the chat did not help me any at all.
Darling. Listen, darling. You hear me, darling? Them, any of them can't help you right now. I swear upon my life right now. Any of them not have it. You see it?
So,
Any of them could have helped you, should have helped you, but she don't have it right now. Tell me to.
yes, but I was sending a message to you, but you did not get back
Yeah,
to
me not have it neither. That's why me I tell us that them not have it. You see it?
Okay.
Yes, darling. May God bless you, darling. Okay?
Same to you.
All right, darling.
Alright.
Police, I can't help.
Just there, say I'm glad I come back, come say that car. Yeah, me know you did put yourself in something a while ago.
So if me not put myself in something, why not did it? I said something.
No, but I did it, but me I pray it and me I say, John, no, I feel away because the lady, I said, she have a, you see me?
Yeah, me feel
and that's going to make you get soft. No. And put yourself in some little thing where, yeah, that's what
I know me say, babe. But when time a person come and ask to help me, I tell you what me do. I ask the people them on the platform if they can please help her. You understand me? I say stop sub, right? But listen for the sub or stop sub. Right? I ask the people them on the platform if them can help her because suppose she dey here so right now, right? And you ask the people them to come together, right? And try to help her. I know me I get her in a babe. I people them with the on the platform I see her and say, oh God, you know, and try to do something for her. Alright, so it wouldn't be me. Where she there? Where she is?
No, tell her to stand with her face.
Where she is? Guys, you can put her back in the box, please. stop sub. Somebody can get to the lady here, so please. I wouldn't be the person who will help her. Miss, if you're there here, so I'm telling you from now, it wouldn't be me and help you because I don't have it. But you have some wonderful people on the platform, and if you speak about your story, someone will hear you and understand you and reach out to you and try to help you. Yeah.
And then let me ask police a question there. Police!
Anyway, miss, may I ask you please if you can come back and send the request, and may we give you the platform so you can speak about your child, because I know it must hard for you as a mother. Alright? So guys, if anybody can see her in the comments, so she could come up back, please. There she is.
Yeah, good day.
Hi miss, good day. Sorry about that, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I was talking about when I was trying to get the help from him, but the people they must say they're gonna help me and so on. Whatever, they take me for pussy and so. Sorry my language.
No, that's okay. Just be real.
They did not help me. I go to the machine and I send them 2 account number. When I go to the machine and so on, I did not have any fear or anything. And to go there and so on, and I go down there to go to the machine. No money was in there, $0. My son is diagnosed with cancer stage 3. I have 1 kid, he's just 8 years old. I lost my job just because my son illness and so on. I don't know if you buck up me because all the while I try to do like live and so on. I don't know if you're passing through and ever see me yet.
I'm not gonna say yes when I don't. You know.
I was trying to even to get in touch with you.
This can come bigger?
You can turn on your camera, nice lady.
Yeah, man.
Should I account new?
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Nah, come on. Oh.
Let's take your time and try. So what we can do, right? Me can't help you. But what we can do is give you the platform so you can speak, so you can reach out to... Whoa, me see her before.
Yeah, man, me tell her say you must see me because me always the party live pretending about my son. So I just was asking, say, if you ever passing through your live and so on, passing through my live and saw me.
I see you. Me see you on the For You before.
Yes, and me even send a text message.
Let's do audio.
I sent a text message to your inbox, but you did not reply because a lot of people in your inbox.
Definitely. So when me say to you, right, I'm gonna make you understand. I don't have it to help you at this moment.
Okay.
You understand? But the thing is this, what I can do, I can give you the platform at this moment and let you talk and let your voice be heard so mothers out there can hear you. You understand me? Maybe somebody can understand and try to help you, all right?
Okay.
All right, so go ahead.
Oh my God. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I have a son who is 8 years old, who is diagnosed with cancer. He's 8 years old. He did not born this way. He developed it. I'm asking anyone of here if you can help out baby Michael. He's supposed to do an ultrasound and an x-ray. He did not get to see the doctor because the ultrasound and the x-ray did not get to done. So I'm asking anyone here if you can help me, please. Oh God, oh God. Oh my God. Sometimes just...
Wolfie.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Nice lady, you can send back the request, but you don't have to turn on the camera this time.
It's hard sometimes when you try to reach out for help, you know? Especially if you pick me. I use something. So many times I try, nobody not see you get me. You can send me back the request if you're still there on the live, please. And this time when you come up, you don't even have to turn on back the camera. Alright? And just take some time, make sure you say you drink some water. Guys, I'm sure some love for me now. Please make you feel good about. I'm not going to say good about the situation, but give her a little bit of confidence. You understand? Send by the request to me, sweet. Please, to be. Is goodness if I had them. I'm gonna wait till she's. I pray for. Sweetheart, you come out for the live? Alright, take some time and see if you can, please. Guys, anybody did follow our page? Anyone in the chat follow our page as well? I'm here. Alright. You have me worried this spoiler going on, man. Send me by the request with you. And before you come up, drink some water. Alright? I want you to drink some water before you come back up. And when you come up, just relax. Alright? You have so many mothers here listening to you. You have some strong ladies here. You have some prayer warrior here. So I'm telling you, right? So you have so many people on the platform here. So right now I look out for you. And them do understand, especially mothers who have kids also. Alright? So take your time, come up, alright, and relax and just talk about your child and tell them what they. Guys, if you can give her a follow, please may I ask you give her a follow as well, please. No joke, Annie. Me know, man, me know true. Guys, if you have anyone in our chat can help her, please may I ask, once you see it wise where you said yes, she really need of help, please may I ask if you can reach out, alright? Anything where you can do, just try to reach. Yes, somebody said yes, need to help her. Hello? Hey, baby? That is a food here, I will come now, I'm soon gone. You come with me? Ask Benji.
Yeah, you want to come?
Mm-hmm.
Come. Oh, we help the lady here first. How would that? And the lady now, baby?
Baby. Come on.
Two boy them, I can't tell them. She's a mother.
Yeah.
Like anywhere she a go, she and her two look up at them, one on the left, one on the right. She just frustrated and tired. She's a mom. Like any little work where she get like for wash and something, she got do it and come on. She and her look up, she not left out her two little boy there. She not left them out and me not giving her a bad name. She's very nice. She's very handy when it comes to her baby. Like she put them first. And it just frustrated. And as me say, even though she may not have no patient, we as mother, we have to give and take. Cause we never born perfect.
That's
you
true.
Get what me I say? You just help her out because of the baby. Because you know we never want to go there, so Annie.
Me understand. But you see you, me appreciate you so much because we could have the right here, so and there's all the things say as some type of lie because you know how the internet go already. But for you see you step out to as a woman, you as a mother?
Yeah, that's why I tell you, say, Annie, my 6-year-old daughter.
Oh, yes, you said your daughter play with it. Yes.
Michael, and Michael, the big boy way. That's why I tell you, say, it's not no scam. Anybody will know end that now would. Anybody will know end that now would. Annie, me I go to the address, go up there and ask him, Mikey, where spray care, and then you get the story. She come from Mobby, she live at end that now would. So I don't know, make up story she are telling you guys.
Me appreciate you for come out here so make we really know what
all
we
right,
are
so Rochelle, since one girl in I comment the Annie said she know her, so she come from Mobby too. So yeah, the baby sick bad. So
all
guys,
right.
please ask
one of my moderator them, please. One of my girl, one of my moderator queen, please may I beg you. One of my ladies, blue team. May I ask you each person follow her account for me now, please. Please may I ask
right,
you follow the account.
yeah?
Alright, my baby. Thank you. What am I make you follow the queen? Hold on, queen. I'll give you a follow here. Baby, should I get you something here? Should I get you something? Move something for you. Alright. Thank you. Hey, what's up? Oh my god. We know so she come back out now, you know. So guys, each person will hear the name of the account and you can follow her. I'm following her already. Alright. Trendy. Just give me the link and make me get to follow her also. Alright? And we have to just take with time with her. So I can see she go through a lot, guys. And it's not easy. I babe, sit down, give me a second. See her upon the life of trainer, babe. See her upon the life more than once, more than twice. Well, if I time doing it, but I see her, I say, you know? But I never really stop and listen.
It's not an easy road. I mean, you see the glamour and the glitter. So the baby girl, pass a phone for me. So them think I better rose. But who feels it knows. Ooh. Pull up in the Audi, yeah. I don't trust nobody. Pull up in the Audi, yeah. Be a feelings in my car.
You think this girl I sing is not an easy road? Go up, man. Get up, baby.
You know really falling about your pants.
You follow it?
No, for follow it.
You feel me? That's how this nigga feel too. Lord, dog, about opening the fan.